In this video, I'll show you how to download GoToMeeting video recordings. So from the GoToMeetings app, what you want to do is go to your profile icon on the top right, click on Settings, Meetings on the left, and then you'll click on Content. And here in the Content section, what you want to do is make sure that Save Recordings on My Computer is on. And here you'll see the default location where all your recordings are saved. And from there, all you want to do is just click on Browse, and it's going to immediately open that specified folder. So this is a really easy way to find the exact folder where your videos will be saved to. So there's nothing that you have to do. It'll save by itself and be put in this location. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.